Hi guys. So, do you guys remember Mervin Dirks? He was appointed in the MK party in I think in January, but Glonyaga this year, towards the end of this year, he was appointed as the chief whip of the KZN legislator. Yeah, yeah, he was appointed as the KZN legislator. Let me just show you. For those who don't know, this is Mervin Dirks. So now news broke that he has been fired. So Usihle Mavoso reported this. The MK party has fired Mervin Dirks as its chief whip in KwaZulu-Natal legislature. In fact, I did not only hear this Usihle. I heard it on there's another news outlet that wrote about it. That he has been removed as the chief whip of KwaZulu-Natal legislator less than 8 months after he was appointed to the position. He'll be replaced by Ubongi Nkosi Mngadi. The changes come amid leadership turmoil, which the party in the legislature and expectation that some MPLs, some of the members of the provincial legislature, will soon be removed as well. So the reason of some of the removals, okay, it's because some of the people were appointed by Uflo Chivambo. Yeah, so and yes, Gega Mervin Dirks into Baritin. But I think the most interesting thing is that Mervin Dirks Uchi has not received communication. So Usam Masego posted and said, Mervin Dirks said, I have not received any letter of correspondence. So Mervin Dirks uvez ndabeni ubana ukhutshiwe kwi-legislator and ekhutshiwe nje uzoreplacewa ngubonga inkosi bonga inkosi yeah but he has not received any letter. And if you remember, this news of Mervin Dirks being removed, we heard them a few days ago from Clean Governance. So it's not just news of today. Imagine hearing from other people that you have been removed in your position or deployment. Yet you have not even received a letter. So I don't know. What do you guys think is going on? Why do you think Mervin Dirks is removed all of a sudden? Do you think it's in connection with Floyd, or do you think maybe now he's got his own sins? What could be the reason for this removal?